Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. Within this video I'm going to show you how to remove, replace and inspect the air filter or air cleaner on a 2017 Hyundai Accent. So first off we're going to open up the bonnet. To do that, come over to the driver's side or the right hand side of the vehicle in this instance. Just go down into the footwell. You'll notice this lever, give that a pull. Come round to the front of the car. Just above the Hyundai badge there's a lever inside, just push that to the left and we're going to put that bonnet stay in that hole there. Once your bonnet's nice and secure, come over to the right hand side of the vehicle. You'll see your battery just towards the front of the car. This is your air filter or air box. There's two clips, one to the front, one over to the right, and that will allow you to actually open up the box like so, exposing your air cleaner. So what you can do is you can just pop that straight out. As you can see there's quite a lot of debris inside. I'd give that a nice hoover out or vacuum clean. Just pick up all those bugs and that will stop you clogging your filter. You can just pop the filter straight back in, whether it be a new filter or the same one cleaned. Rock it back down. Make sure both the clips are done up, and that's it. That's how to remove and replace or just inspect the air filter on a 2017 Hyundai Accent. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.